Wow, gone beautiful people of the internet. What's good, family? My name is Malik Sterling from Ghana. And if this is your first time seeing me, kindly make sure to subscribe. If you've been seeing me for a very long time too, I say thank you for sticking around. Thank you for staying. It's been 2 solid years since we started sharing information, since we took this job upon ourselves to help people out there. Because Charlie, we're not going to hold information for here then. At the end of the day, we go die. We go 6 feet. You understand? All what I'm trying to say is we are here to help, here to share information. So sharing information, if you still want to travel to Qatar, Dubai, any country around this Middle East, Work Tractor is your go-to agent you need to visit. So Work Tractor, they are located in Ghana, Tema. If you want to travel, kindly link up with them. Their details will be on the screen, so you can contact them and then see how far they can help you. Reference me so you get probably 20 to 25% discount. Anyways, let's get into today's video. So just like the title reads, Ultimate Guide on How to Survive in Qatar 2024. I know this might sound a little bit off, but then again, a lot of people are asking for this kind of information. I'm very much tired of having to go back and forth, but I'm just saying I'm tired, but honestly I'm not tired, because if I'm tired I wouldn't be here explaining it, right? So yeah, thank you for all my return subscribers. Thank you for you guys showing me massive love. I don't know the possible best way to say thank you, but well, I swear to God, I love you all. I love you so much. People thought Qatar was going to be better, as in, yeah, it got better in some other parts and then it's getting worse in some other parts. Because imagine if you've been in Qatar since 2018 and your salary was somewhere around 2,000 riyals. We are in 2024 now and you're still taking 2,000 riyals. Things that were being sold 1 riyal back in 2018 are not still the same today. You get my point? But your salary is not being increased. So in situations like this, how do you survive? People who have lived here with a lot of experience are still suffering. What's more of you that you want to come in here with a tourist visa? This sun is messing my eyes up. I don't want to put this one on too. I would look like a gangster. Look at this. What do you think? I'm going to take it off. By the way, so just like I'm saying, before the World Cup, things were much affordable, very soft life. Things weren't as tough as they are now. But I think it's also because a lot of people have trooped in the country. Most of them have left. Some of them also don't want to leave. They want to enjoy Qatar and want to migrate, probably. So now hire card is no more in the system. Hire card has totally expired. So if you hear from someone who is trying to sell hire card to you, please report them quickly to the police, or save yourself, save your money. Don't approach them, don't go to them. And please don't let anyone sell you a fake dream. Don't let them tell you that you can come to Qatar with a tourist visa and survive. You can, but there's going to be a lot of prices to pay. Now, to survive in Qatar is not easy. So just like I said from the beginning, I mean, living expenses here are climbing all the way up each and every day. But one thing that we are mostly thankful for is transportation. Transportation over here, it depends on how you travel, how you move around. Myself, I don't live too far from here, and this is Al Bidar Park. Is it Al Bidar or Corniche? I don't know. It's kind of linked up. So Corniche is just right there, and then no, Corniche is here, and then Al Bidar is here, just divided by the road. So it's not too far from me, and I usually travel with the train. So if you really want to survive here in Qatar, you need to look for an apartment which is very close to public transportation, just like me. Back when I lived in Al Saad, the closest metro to me was Al Saad Metro, obviously. So it was just a walking distance, and I could go to the train station at any time, and then just join the train to wherever that I want to go. So it was really convenient to me, and I didn't really spend much, unless sometimes I'm in a hurry, I want to go meet someone, I want to go catch up with something, and I wouldn't have that much time. Because mind you, I mean, a lot of things comes to play, you know what I mean? So that is just one of the things. If you want to survive in Qatar here, and maybe you're on a freelance, most people will be on a freelance, others might be living in a company's accommodation. So if your company is not close to the train station, what do? I think you would have to join the bus, because there is a lot of, now these buses are free. Just a second. If you have, where's my wallet? So if you have this, now this is the Metro card. I'm pretty sure everyone who lives in Qatar is very much aware of this. So this is the Metro card. You top up this and then you can travel as cheap as it comes. Every trip is just 2 riyals. I don't know how much equivalent to you know, dollars, but again, you can use this to ride the public transport. I mean, the free bus, these buses are literally free, so it picks you up from a designated point to the train station, and it's free. You just need to tap this, or you can just download the Journey app. I don't know the name of the app, but yeah, I'm going to leave it in the description box. I'm pretty sure all of you know about this. This shouldn't be new to you, unless maybe you are new to Qatar. Then yeah, that is where you'll be like, okay, you're not too familiar with the kind of things that I'm saying. But aside that, if you have this, you are good to go. Just get onto the bus, tap this, beep, you are good to go. Again, you go to the train station, then use this. But then in the train station, this one is going to be charged, which is just 2 riyal per trip. That was just by the way. See, I'm doing free advertisement for Metro. That was just by the way. So just like I said, if you are not living in a company's accommodation, but then you know you're living on your own, on a freelance visa or on a tourist visa, try to look for a place that is very much close to the train station or to a public transport. Also, number 2, if you are not living in a company's apartment or in a company accommodation, try to look for a bed space. Don't go for 1 BHK, or what do they call it, 1 bedroom kitchen and 1 bedroom hall and a kitchen. That is the 1 BHK. It's very expensive, and Qatar is expensive. So imagine nowadays, I'm not sure you can find any bed space below 500 riyals. Recently, I saw one which was like 300 riyals, but it did not even last for a day. People were just rushing on it, and it was just like that. So try look for a bed space which shouldn't be less than 500, I think. And if you are living in Qatar, you are not working, and you need to be paying 500 riyals per month. I feel pity for those guys who do not have job yet, and you know, they are not familiar with the place. They don't have people that they are living with. They are just here by themselves. I swear, I feel pity for them. So quickly, let's move to the next point. So the next point is only buy food when it's necessary. Trust me, when I came to Qatar here, I've spent much money on just eating. And you know, this thing over here, you know, get control. You're gonna buy all the time. Today you craving shawarma, you go, you buy it. Tomorrow you craving peanut butter, you go, you buy it. You craving burger, you go, you buy it. Trust me, all these things are gonna finish your money up. Try and cook most of the times. So Barbara, yeah, I know. So if you know Barbara, yeah, I've been having videos. I mean, we've been collaborating on a lot of videos on my channel and her channel as well. Now, sometimes she would ask me to go out, let's go make video, and I'll be like, nah, today I'm cooking for the week. And Barbara will laugh at me. I'm like, what? You're very funny. Why are you cooking for the week? Yeah, I need to cook for the week. I need to cook for the week. Imagine I spend 70 to 100 riyals to cook for the whole week. Maybe I might have rice, or even if I don't have rice, okay, I buy rice, I buy any other stuff that I need to buy. But then it's just about you controlling yourself. Because me, I've been able to survive here. I can survive on rice for like 2 to 3 days maximum. Then I would have to eat something else, you know. But in some cases, if I feel like, I don't get anything chop, I go chop rice for the whole week. After all, nobody know what's inside my stomach. If I tell you that I've eaten pizza, you're not going to dissect my stomach to see whether I've eaten pizza or not. It's just all about you surviving. The key word is surviving. You need to survive. Trust me. I have this guy here who's from Ghana. He's here on a freelance visa. He's been here for 3 months only. And he told me ever since he got here, he's been eating rice for the past 3 months. It was just recently he had beans, like beans, you know, Ghanaians, like gobe. He had beans, and then he was so excited. I'm like, you had rice for 3 months and you are complaining. My guy, people need to survive. People really need to survive. So, man, eating that rice for 3 weeks, 3 months or 4 months, as far as you dey chop am, belle dey full, you dey sleep, you feel comfortable, that should be okay. If you eat rice for 1 week and you don't have any symptoms of any other kind of disease or any sickness, I think it's okay. It's just sometimes our cravings. You don't get money, but you won't chop something else. Enjoy your rice for the meantime. Also on the point again, choose the best mobile data plan. Now, if you are new in Qatar here, trust me, one of the things that is going to stress you is internet. Because maybe Africa, trust me, you can buy a data plan for I don't know how much, but in Qatar here, now I have Aleph. I'm mentioning this guy's name because, yeah, he's also a YouTuber. He told me he lived in Kazakhstan or wherever, or Russia or whatsoever. And this guy was living like, you know, he's okay. He came to Qatar here and I think he has changed his SIM card like 3-4 times already, because each plan that he gets, he overuses it and then he's out of data. He doesn't have internet, he doesn't have call time, and it frustrates him most of the time. So I think the main two mobile communication networks that we have here is Vodafone and Ooredoo. Now, Ooredoo is fast but expensive. Vodafone is, okay, so Ooredoo is super fast and expensive. Vodafone is just fast and affordable. You know what I mean? So it all depends on you. You would need to do your findings. Look, walk up to Ooredoo and ask them the kind of plan. I'm sure they can even prepare you a plan just for you. If you tell them, okay, I need an international minute, because imagine, for me, I have an international minute for like 50 minutes. And 50 minutes, sometimes I do not even use it. Aside from calling my mom back home, who else am I going to call with my international minute? All my friends are on WhatsApp. My mom even has WhatsApp, but sometimes, you know, these old women, you don't know what happens to their phone. You try to call them on WhatsApp, or you try to reach them on WhatsApp and it doesn't go through. Then you would have to call them directly, right? So that is one of the reasons why I'm still keeping this 15-minute international calls. But if not, I'll just walk up to Ooredoo, or they're just a phone call away from me. I'll just call them, yo, Ooredoo, I don't want the 15 minutes international call anymore. Can you just replace it with something else? Maybe give me data instead of 15 minutes international call. So it all depends on you. You can just walk up to them or just give them a phone call, ask them what you want, because trust me, they are here to serve you. You tell them how you want it, and maybe they can be able to fix something for you. So yeah, I think there is nothing much more to share. I think this video wasn't supposed to be that long, but yeah, sometimes duty calls. You need to talk and keep talking. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like. You can follow me on all social media platforms at Malik Sterling. Let's get conversative. And if you are new in Qatar and you want us to link up, just let me know on Instagram. So, you know, we can catch up and vibe, and you know what I mean. So stay safe, enjoy your stay in Qatar, don't get yourself into trouble, hustle hard, get that money, move from here. Bye bye.